Google search engine has access to lot of data and not all data is available to public. Normal user only can access Google's 15 to 20% of the data. Rest of the data is hidden from the world. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you one method by which you can access that hidden data and find configuration, expose databases, API keys, open cameras, expose FTP connection, expose RTP connection, passwords and whatnot. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you 4 Google Docs and later I'm going to show you how you can combine those 4 Google Docs to create a gold mine. So in order to start, we just need Google. So I have Google right here and first Google Doc is site. So by using site, you can target any website. So let me show you. I am typing site : and I am saying fluxset.com, which is my website, and it will show me all URLs of the fluxset.com, right? So that's the first Google Doc. Let me show you second Google Doc. In the second Google Doc is intitle. So I can type intitle and I'll say admin. So it will give me all the pages which has admin in the title. Third Google Doc is in URL. I can type in URL and I can specify any word which I want to find in URL. So let's say I want to file mail and it will list down the all of the URL which has mail in it. Fourth and last Google Doc is file type. So I can just type file type right here and PDF and it will give me list of the links which has PDF in it. But as you can see on the screen, it is not giving me list because it requires additional combination to be added. Okay. So what is additional combination? I need to add for which site I need to find the PDF. So I will just say site : and I'll say google.com and it will find all PDF in the google.com. Okay, so that's all about the basics. So let's go ahead and let's try to find gold mine. What we can do is we can combine these 4 Google Docs and we can try to find a gold mine. Okay, so let me open a new tab and let me show you how. We can type in URL config.php and in title config.php. So what is config.php? So if you talk about any WordPress website, it has a configuration saved in the config.php file in which there will be database password, there will be mail password and whatnot, right? All of the configuration of the WordPress will be available in that particular config.php file. So what we can do is in URL config.php and in title config, that will list down the all URL which has that particular file. So here some of the files will be protected but most of the files will be unprotected. So you can find exposed database like this. So for example, let me open one example. So I'll open this particular link right here and as you can see, I got access for file. So let me click on the file and as you can see, I can see whole configuration right here on the browser. So that's the exposed database, right? But don't try to go rogue and instead you can mention site here and you can type fluxset.com or let's say any targeted website and you can find details for targeted website rather than searching for whole internet, right? That makes more sense. I am adding link in the description where you will find list of Google Doc to find email addresses, databases, FTP endpoints, open cameras and almost everything. This video is part of the topic named passive reconnaissance from the website penetration testing series that we are recording. So this video is only for educational purpose. Don't try to misuse this knowledge. If you are going to misuse or if you are facing any legal issue, then I'll be not responsible for your actions. So check the law, check your permissions, check your legal boundaries and then proceed with the examples. If you like this particular video or if you like cybersecurity in general, then please consider subscribing this particular YouTube channel. On this channel, I am uploading video series on the web hacking and I will make sure that it will get you started in the bug bounties. So don't forget to subscribe and you know what to do. See you in the next video.